After exercise 10b, our next topic is representation of sets. Simply we are having three. The first one is description method. Then second one is roster form or tabular method. Then last is rule or set builder method. Set builder usually given in questions. So three we are having description method, roster form, then set builder method. In the exercise only we are having roster method and set builder method. Description means what? Whatever the question is given, you have to write the same with the little modifications. So I'm starting from exercise and I will explain you description, roster and set builder. So description is not given in exercise. So for description, I'm taking an example. In description, simply if you are having a set of cricket players with ages between 20 and 28 years. So now this we have to write in in description method. So required set equals to cricket players with ages between 20 years and 28 years. So like this we have to write in description method. Then the next is roster and set builder, which I will explain in exercise. Some important sets we are having: n equals to natural numbers, w equals to whole numbers, z or I equals to integers, and e is your even natural numbers. Okay, so in the exercise 10c, then O is odd natural numbers. Exercise 10c, question number 1. Write each of the following sets in roster form. So the question is given and we have to write in roster form. Roster form is very easy. The first question is the set of 5 numbers, each of which is divisible by 3. The set of 5 numbers, okay, each of which is divisible by 3. So required set. Now in question it is given set of 5 numbers, means 5 numbers ऐसे आपको यहाँ पे लिखने हैं जो 3 से डिविजिबल होते हैं. आप कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? अगर स्टार्ट से लिखना चाहते हैं 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 वो भी सही है, या किसी और नंबर्स को आप लिखते हैं जो 3 से डिविजिबल होते हैं वो भी सही है. ठीक है. बट अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया रहता द सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 नंबर्स, तब आपको 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 लिखना पड़ता है. बट यहाँ पे गिवन है set of 5 numbers divisible by 3, so you can write any 5. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So this is your roster form. As I told you, very easy. Then the set of integers between -4 and +4. So between means what? -4 to +4. So -4 to +4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is your required roster form. Okay. Then x, next is, or we can rate this, the first one. X is such that X is a letter in the word school. X is such that X is a letter in the word school. X जो है वो एक लेटर है किसमें? स्कूल वर्ड में. So the same you have to write required set equals to roster form है तो सेम ऐसे ही आएगा. First S, then C, then H, then O, then O is double but you will write only one time. Last is L. So this is your roster form. So like this you can solve question number 1. Then question number 2, write each given set in the roster form again. So you can solve question number 2 also. In question number 2, the first question you can solve, then the squares of first 4 natural numbers. As you know, natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually starting from 1, but it is given first 4 natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the squares of these natural numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So this is your roster form. Okay. So question number 2 also you can solve. Question number 2, 7. Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Any 4 you can write. Triangle, circle, rectangle, square. You can write. Okay. So question number 2 you can solve. In question number 3 we have to write set builder form. Simply set builder form is always like this. X is such that X is whatever the condition is given you have to write that. But this is compulsory. X is such that. Okay, in set builder form. Clear? Then for example, first question. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As you can see in this question, you are having 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. All these numbers are even. All these numbers are even. And after 10, we are having 12. That means these even numbers are less than 12. So how you can write this? Simply you can write this. X is such that X is a collection of even numbers. You can write, or you can write X is an even number less than 12. So like this you can write. This is your set builder form. Then second is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So same you have to write. X is such that. Now 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. You can't write odd. Odd आप नहीं लिख सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 उसमें even है. तो 2 है, 3 है, 5 है, 7 है, 11 है. क्या हो सकता है इन सब में? ये सब प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. So you have to write X is such that X is a prime numbers. X is a prime number less than 13. Clear? Then in the third question, January, June and July. So you can write X is such that X is a name of month starting from J. Then next is A, E, I, O, U. So you can write X is such that X is a vowel. X is a vowel. Then next is Tuesday and Thursday. So you can write X is a day of week starting from T, Tuesday and Thursday. Then last question, sixth one, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. As you can see, these all are squares. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So you can write X is such that X is a square of natural numbers from 1 to 5. Okay. Then in the last we are having 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. As you can see, these all numbers are divisible by 5. So you can write X is such that X is a multiple of 5 less than 35. 35 से लेस देन लिखना कंपलसरी है. क्यों? क्योंकि 35 से नीचे कौन सा नंबर आता है जो 5 से डिवाइड होता है? दैट इज 30 ओनली. ओके. सो दिस इज योर सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. एज आई टोल्ड यू, दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इजी. Only some basics you should know clearly. Then you can solve any question. Then question number 4, write the roster form and the set builder form. The roster and the set builder. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm solving here question number 3. Set of letters used in word Calcutta. Calcutta. So first I am writing roster form. So required set equals to roster form like CAL. C, don't write again because C occurs twice. Then U, then T, then bracket. So CALUT. This is your roster form. Okay. Then what is set builder form? So required set for that x is such that x is such that x is a लेटर x क्या है एक लेटर है जिसको यूज़ किया गया है इन द वर्ड कैलकटा x is such that x is a letter which is used in word Calcutta. Like this you have to solve. Then question number 4 you can solve. Question number 5 I am solving. Set of all 2-digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. So 2-digit square. First you should know 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, then 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Now in the question it is given set of all 2-digit numbers which are perfect squares as well. So in this particular question, as you can see, this 1 is single digit, so just leave it. 4 single digit है छोड़ दो, 9 single digit है छोड़ दो, 16 double digit, double digit, double digit, double digit, ठीक है, then double digit, double digit. This is 3 digits, so leave it. So the roster form for this question is 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Clear? Then set builder form, x is such that x is a perfect square of 2 digit. ये सब जो है perfect square है कितने digits के? 2 digits के. So now you can solve exercise 10C. If you are having any doubt, do message.